on how I installed this wig. This wig is from West Kiss. It was a 16-inch transparent lace front, 13 by 4, and I cut it into a bob. It's kind of like an asymmetrical bob, so I cut it. The back is like real short and then the sides is like long, but one side is longer. And I cut it and I gave it some layers, and I also gave it some highlights and some lowlights. Oh, and this hair was originally 1B. So if you know hair, 1B is like a really dark brown color. So your girl made it like a chocolate brown. I used some developer and I left it on for like an hour, 30 minutes to an hour. So it came out like a chocolate brown. I wish you guys can see it, but you can't really see it. But that's okay. If you want to see how I installed this wig and got it to look like this, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so here I'm just doing my ball cap. I'm just adding some makeup to blend it in with my skin. I'm going to be using NYX Total Control in the color Mocha, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that onto my lace. So here I'm just matching the lace onto my skin to see if it's blended in properly. And here I'm just going to go in and cut off the ear tabs. Just basically cutting out the ears so my ear can fit through the lace, so I can push my hair behind my ears just like that. So you're gonna want to go ahead and do the same thing to the other ear. You're just gonna part out in the front of the ear and then cut that. So here I'm just using some Ghost Bond glue, and the bottle decides that it wants to act stupid, and yeah, that happened. So you're just gonna take that and blow dry until it's dry, and then you could put the lace on top of it. After everything is dry and clear, you just want to take a head tie and tie it down for about 20 minutes until it's completely dry. And here I'm just going to take some styling mousse to help define my part from Cream of Nature. It's called Liquid Gold. I use this mousse for everything. I use it to help me define my parts. I use it to help me curl my hair, to lay down flyaways, everything. I absolutely love this mousse. So here I'm just going to start the styling process. I'm just going to start flat ironing my hair, bumping the ends, making it look a little cuter. So here I'm just gonna finish up flat ironing my hair, and I'm gonna come back when I'm all done. Once I'm done doing that, I'm just gonna take my eyebrow razor to help cut off the lace. Makes it much easier. It doesn't give it such a straight edge like the scissors would, so it's best for you to use the eyebrow razor. When you're cutting with your eyebrow razor, you're going to make sure that you don't go in a straight motion. You want to go up and down. And this is how my hairline is looking after I cut off all the lace. So here I'm just going to part out some hairs in the front from my baby hairs, and I'm going to take some of that mousse and put it on top just so it could lay flat. Then I'm going to take a wrap strip and I'm just going to tie it down for about 10 minutes till it's dry. After it's completely dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that off. Then I'm gonna go into my baby hairs and actually start to cut them. this is what you don't want to do. You don't want to cut your baby hairs with a scissors because then the ends is going to be really blunt. So it's best for you to use your eyebrow razor to do this. Here I'm just going in with the scissors again just to cut it a little bit shorter because my baby hairs were a little bit too long. But you don't want to cut them too short. So here I already did one side of my baby hairs. I'm just going to finish up on the other side. I'm going to take some more of that mousse to help me mold my baby hairs. And if you find that your baby hairs are a little bit long, you can go back in and cut it, just like I'm doing here. I don't know if it's obvious, but I can't do baby hairs to save my life. So bear with me here, guys, okay? And once you're done doing that, you're just gonna take a wrap strip, tie it down, just so your baby hairs can set in place. Once that's done drying, you can go ahead and remove the wrap strip, and it should look something like this. And this, guys, is the finished look. The feather bang is popping, baby hairs is looking good, and everything is just coming together how I like it. So I'm going to show you guys some ways that you can wear this wig, just in case you want to make a wig like this and don't want to be stuck with this one style, like with the feathered bang to your face. I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can actually wear a short wig like this. So if you don't want to wear the dramatic feathered bang, you could always just comb out the bang and wear it down like this. When you wear it like this, the highlights show more in the front. This is another way that you can wear it. Make it cute. And to make this look even more poppin', you can add some cute pearl clips. So I got these from Amazon about a while ago, and I probably used it like 2 or 3 times. So I'm gonna use this one. You can just take it and put it right there. Cute, cute. Let me fix it a little bit. Ooh. Or I never really wear it on the other side. Let's see how it looks on the other side. Let me fix it. It's cute on this side too. Ooh, cutesy. 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 Let me. Cutesy. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. I know it's kind of short, but this is my first time in a long time actually installing a lace front wig, and I think I did pretty good, okay? I did beyond pretty good. Hold on. Who is that hot mama? Looking like a hot tamale. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hitting that thumbs up button. We want all the thumbs up. Make sure y'all keep viewing. And tell me what y'all want to see next. Like, do you want to see a more detailed install? What do y'all want to see next? But don't worry, I have some hits coming up. Your girl got some goodies coming up. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.